Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I've been here. I had to go away for exam, but I'm back hopefully for good. So in today's video, I'm just going to do a simple braided hairstyle. So you can like go around and you don't have to wake up and style it every month for at least a couple of days, weeks. So yeah, let's just get into the video. So as usual, my hair has been washed and pre-stretched by the threading method. You can tell I haven't combed it fully out yet. And the braiding hair I'm using the jumbo braid. It comes like this, like the 3 sets. This is Braid Babe for a more fuller finish. So yes, this also comes in 3. I just took one part out to like twist a little portion of it. I also have this ultra braid blonde hair. It's kind of like I have slightly different textures, but it's not vast. It's like the difference is like a 0.1, so it's your problem. Yeah, and I just wanted to add a bit of blonde, so I'm gonna have a bit of blonde twisted like this as well eventually when I'm. So the method I'm using here is the rubber band method, where I'm going to start off by taking sections of my hair and then I would put rubber bands at the bottom. Like I'll tie sections of my hair by parting it and then I'll put rubber bands at the bottom. I'm doing this because I just want my hair to have a bit more hold. I could honestly just go ahead and braid it straight out, but then with the size of hair I have on my scalp, if I decide to do that straight away, it's just going to I'm going to have extra hair coming into other sections and it's just going to be a mess and give me more work to do. So I parted everything and then I start by using my crochet pin to pull the hair through the elastic band. Under the elastic band, that's the hold, and then I'm going to go ahead and part my actual hair into 3 sections and braid the extension together with my hair. So this is what I'm going to do for the entire process. I'm just going to keep going, and for the front part I did a bit more of a feed-in process where I start with a little less hair than I would normally use and then I add a little more extension over time. But in the other sections I just ended up braiding straight away because I didn't really mind the size. I just wanted the front part to lay a bit more flatter than I normally do my hair. So as you can see, I'm braiding through the entire hair section. I have already added the extension, and this is basically how it's going to look for the entire section of the braids. I'm going to go ahead and do it for the second part as well. I use the crochet pin to loop in the hair extension and then I pull it out, and I'm going to go ahead again to part my natural hair into 2 sections, I think 2 or 3 sections, and then I'm going to braid it together as well and then feed in 1 extra hair extension piece, and then that's what I do for the entire section as well. You can actually use this method or process of braiding for smaller sections of hairstyles, but I think by now, if you follow my channel, you know I just naturally prefer bigger hairstyles. It's just since I'm doing it myself, it's easier and like faster to do, and I can't stay with the same hairstyle for long. I just always want to take my hair out anyway. So I'm going to include the blonde part. I did a mix of like black and blonde together. I didn't want to have like a full braid blonde in my hair. I don't know, I just didn't want to do that. The mix looked kind of cool, so I kind of did that. So we are like already halfway through, or almost, and as you can see, I'm stretching the soles on my neck to the heavens to get this ends. And yes, we're going through the entire hair section, just a bit of a close-up so you can see how the braiding is going. Eventually I ended up leaving the ends and I braided the ends later. After that, the sections of twist that I did separately, I put them in hot water and then I undid the twist. So I'm going to crochet these into the braids themselves after I put my braids in hot water, just to make it lay a bit flat, or whatever reasons we have for doing the hot water setting. So this is the next day. I promise I'm wearing the same shirt, but I did my laundry the night before, or like in the morning, because I was filming this somewhere in the afternoon. So I take out the hair, I laid my edges or somewhat, and then I proceed to cut off any excess hair that I can see. And yeah, so that basically finishes the entire style. I stood up and proceeded to cut the ends of the hair just to give it a more uniform finish and look. This is how This is a close-up look of how the edges look like, and you can see the extra curled hair that I fed in. So guys, this is how it turned out. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back.